Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy on interactive brokers. First, you'll need to open and fund your account, which typically takes a few business days. Once funded, familiarize yourself with the powerful Trader Workstation, or TWS, platform. We'll cover how to locate specific assets and prepare your first trade. This guide will help you confidently execute your initial purchases on the platform. Funding your account is straightforward, with options like wire transfers or ACH deposits. Once your funds are settled, you can easily search for any stock using its ticker symbol within TWS. We'll then walk through placing a basic order, explaining the difference between a market order for immediate execution and a limit order to control your price. This ensures you understand the fundamental steps to initiate a trade. Beyond basic orders, Interactive Brokers offers advanced options like stop orders to limit potential losses and trailing stops that adjust with the market. The platform also provides extensive research tools and real-time data to inform your decisions. We'll show you how to access these features and effectively manage your portfolio, monitoring your open positions and overall performance. These tools are crucial for more sophisticated trading strategies. Remember to always conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions. Knowledge is your best asset. It's also wise to start with smaller positions as you gain experience and become more comfortable with the platform and market dynamics. For those looking to upgrade their home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This approach helps build confidence and refine your trading strategy over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.